Oh my God, there's not enough room for both of us. Hey everybody, today we're going to be driving through a little town called Upstate, New York. It's a little town that we had to drive through to get to our delivery in Eagle Bridge, New York. There's a couple of hills that we got to go across and one very interesting looking house in the middle of town. And just wait until you see how tight the turns are in the middle of town. So if you're ready, go ahead and buckle up and let's go. So, wherever you are, I hope you're having a wonderful day or night. Gotta watch out for those people on the bridge. I stop right here and have to take a double look because I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to make this turn. Here we go. But of course, I'm a professional and know what I'm doing. And on down the road we go. And here comes the house I was talking about. Don't it look very Christmassy? Tell the truth, when you think of New York, do you think of land like this? Just a side note, the road that I'm about to turn on is called Owl Kill Road. But don't worry, there were no owls harmed in the making of this film. Check out the extremely narrow bridge. Oh my God, are we both gonna fit? I navigate far to the right and he goes to the other side. That way we both have room to get by. But just barely. And here we are making our delivery safe and sound. If y'all have liked this video, please like and subscribe.